Coastal kleptoparasitism is the term for the sophisticated strategy employed by seabirds, most notably gulls, to acquire sustenance from distracted bipedal organisms. This is not simple theft. It is a complex military-style operation involving surveillance, target assessment, and a precision aerial assault. The gull, a master tactician, identifies a soft target, typically a human distracted by a mobile phone or the distant concept of relaxation, and executes a swift diving maneuver to seize the designated foodstuff. The entire engagement lasts mere seconds, leaving the human in a state of bewildered, sauce-splattered violation.